Here.
Let's get it out, guys. I'm just gonna make mine even flatter because this is what I've been playing for a whole day. Oh, it kind of feels like your kinetic sand. Enzo, what happens if we mix Play-Dough with this cream? I'll make some ice cream. Wait, I know what to do. I love this. It's so fun. Ugh. I'll just make it round. I'm trying to smooth it out. I need it. We need it to be 4 pieces. I don't think it will work on this thing. I'm making ice cream now. I'm trying to fit all of this in, and then it's ready. I'm gonna make a bigger ball. I'm making an ice cream for Enzo. I made a perfect ball, and I can act as that ice cream. Look, guys, I made a big ice cream.
That's a lot of ice cream.
I have a tinier ice cream. That's super tiny, Enzo. It's day 15. Let's go get it. Got it. Let's open it already. What's this? Mickey Mouse thing? I'm right. What are those?
It says, can you find the 10 hidden items?
Oh, this is a game. Let's get the markers out. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do Mickey Mouse, and you have to find all of these stuff. And I think I saw a bone. And I'm also gonna do a check mark since I found them. I'm gonna do this one green. I'm gonna do the doggy bone since I already found it. And this one I found it also. There we go, red. Oh yeah, I have to color this other one. I'm gonna do orange for doggy bone. And I found a star. So let's color that. One. Found a star. No lightning bolt. So let's color it yellow. Lightning bolts are actually, that color, so yeah. Another cloud. There's a cloud. Color it up. And I found this one before, but I'll just color in this one. Perfect. Two left. Oh, I found this one. I'm trying to concentrate. Check, and one more left. Where is it? There it is. Color it red. I found all the 10 pictures, guys. Now let's move on to this one. I'm gonna do the maze first. Is that goofy? I'm gonna go this way now. We're not gonna go that way, because that's the wrong way. Boom.
Did you go to the bone?
Yep.
Good job.
Gotta trace this around here, and there. There.
Good job. That's Mickey Mouse.
This one's easy. I know which one it goes with. This one goes with this one. And this one goes with this one.
Good job.
It's so easy.
Perfect.
Now let's do this maze. I'm not going to go there because that's the wrong way. I'm not going to go there either. Where am I going to go now? Okay. No, I'm not going there again. Okay, I'm going to go here. Down here, up here, and here.
Did you find your way?
Here.
Found it?
Yep.
Good job.
This is a good activity. That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for watching. We love you all.